Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning cone fascinator using two colors of Sinamay. Let's get started. Begin by dyeing your Sinamay fabric using reindeer beige. Dye some amount of Sinamay, fold and submerge in dye mixture. If you have been watching my previous videos, I showed how I dyed Sinamay. Once the color is achieved, then sun dry. Next, you need to cut squares of Sinamay material. The width of the square can vary depending on your preference. I made a 4-inch lily. Cut your Sinamay and fold into a triangle to enable you get a perfect square. Then, cut the Sinamay. Now take the square cream fabric and fold into a triangle. Bend it into a cone and insert the right side into the left. Put a line of glue on the left side and join the cone. Repeat this process and make about 12 more cones. 6 cream cones and 6 brown cones. Once we have our 12 lilies ready, let's move on to creating the fascinator base. Take the rectangular piece of Sinamay and fold it in half lengthwise. Mine measures 8 inches long and 3 inches wide. Fold into two and iron to join them together with a warm iron. Carefully attach the lilies one by one to the fascinator base, placing the lilies in alternating colors. If you desire, you can add a bead or brooch to the center using the glue to secure it after you're done attaching the lilies. Once the glue has dried, it's time to attach the fascinator to a hair clip. Apply a generous amount of glue to the back of the fascinator base or hair clip and firmly press it onto the desired spot. Hold it in place for a few seconds to ensure a secure bond. And that's it, a stunning fascinator adorned with Sinamay lilies in alternating colors of cream and brown. Remember, you can customize this design by using different colors or more embellishments. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting craft ideas. Until next time, happy crafting!